Ciao everyone, it's Marchettino and today we're off for a POV test drive in my Ferrari.
Today I'm quite pleased to make this video because I'm gonna show you what's it like to drive a Ferrari F355 GTS. Let's open the car. So where's the door handle? It's hiding underneath. Today the weather seems okay. It was raining like a couple of hours ago. Now it's sunny, not that much, but still we're gonna enjoy the Ferrari, of course, with the roof off. As you can see, it's quite easy and practical to take the roof off. There's no ECUs or mechanism like on the Ferrari F355 Spider. It's quite easy to do that. You also have the bonus that you have less things that could actually break down. It's very easy, as you can see. So once you have the roof in your hands, you can actually store it behind the seats. And voila, done. As you can see, there's still no radio. I'm gonna fit one very shortly, I promise, but still, I think I'm gonna do that just to make the interior look better. With this kind of soundtrack, you wouldn't want to hear the radio, that's for sure. So guys, here we are. Be careful with the volume. That was hot. Driving a straight pipe, net-aspirated Ferrari in a tunnel is simply priceless. I mean, how can you not love it? I will do this all day long. Of course, as long as I have some fuel left. But I mean, the sound of a non-aspirated V8. My goodness. Thank God there's still the non-aspirated V12 at Ferrari, but concerning the current twin-turbo V8 models, of course, they are so fast, they have so much power and torque, but when it comes to the sensations, the soundtrack, I'm sorry Ferrari, but the old ones, they're better, or at least to me. There's no even need to redline to hear this amazing soundtrack. It's like an old school Formula 1 car. Ah. I love it. I truly love it. I've been driving my F355 since about 1.5 years, and every time I use it, it's like the first time. F355 in the traffic, it's not that bad. I mean, clutch pedal is not that heavy. Same as the gearbox. You just have to wait a couple of minutes when the car is cold, because when the oil of the transmission is cold, first and second gear are quite tough to engage. But once all the car is properly warmed up, it's okay. It's so easy and fantastic to drive. Is simply amazing. Above 5,000 it truly starts to shout. Soundproofing with the wind is not even that bad. Of course, I cannot tell you at what kind of speed I was driving, but let's say that even if you're driving fast, you don't feel the wind noise very much. Guys, I don't know if you've ever heard the horn of the Ferrari F355, but it's kind of funny. Just listen. So basically, whenever you use it, people will never pretend to be serious with you. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching. Ciao!